Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. And it's actually holiday in my country. It's actually Women's Day. So yeah, I hope women out there they will actually celebrate this one. Very nice. I hope you enjoy. And if you are a trader, just know that I'm hoping that you're gonna have a very profitable year, not only a week or not only a day, but the rest of the year, right? So what's really happening on the market? We know very well that, the market has been going crazy left and right. But if we can just talk trader to a trader, guys, things they've been actually been difficult on the market. The market has been actually going up aggressively. When you try to jump on that buy, then the market reverses aggressively, you see. And that has been so like mostly last week, little bit this week. So yeah, we're feeling that pain, guys. If maybe you are watching and you're thinking maybe this is only you, no, you are not alone. You are not alone. And this happens. And unfortunately, I think it's something that we need to share out there, that sometimes we reach that level or those times where the market doesn't really react nicely, whatever that we put on the charts, whether we have a proper strategy, but things don't really work out sometimes, you see. And sometimes we just need to stay out. We just need to relax. Unfortunately, we need to pay bills and stuff, so you have to go back and trade. But if maybe you find, just relax. Next week is still another day, another week. You can still have another chance. So don't fight the market. So yeah, things they've been like seriously tough. But why? Why are these things quite tough, or things changing? Is your strategy not working? Most likely, most of the strategies that I know, they actually work. It's just that people are not consistent, repeating the same strategy. They are not really patient enough to push their strategy, or they don't really apply their risk management, you see. And that is the problem. That is the problem, you see. So yes, you can still make a lot of money in trading, and you can still lose it all. So, but on that, there is a fine line between that. How can you keep whatever that you make? And that makes you to stay longer in the game, you see. So, yeah, I think, you know what, let's just go straight to our quick analysis. And for those who wants to be part of our team before we continue, I think you can just pause that video, and then you can just choose whatever that you want there, VIP signals if you want that, and just let me know. And yes, guys, today, if for those who wants to be part of our mentorship, $60 4 months mentorship, you can still talk to me. So now we are on dollar index. This is dollar. Yesterday there was jobless claims or unemployment claims. So the number was not really bad at all. The number was a little bit lower, showing that, no, man, we don't really expect any recession. And that is good for the US economy. That's why we saw maybe the stock market trying to recover. I think today maybe we might see some recovery on the market. We might see that. So on the chart here, we can see that, yeah, man, on the overall structure here, it was a nice proper push to the upside, but we can see that the market just broke out there. So let's just go closer there. We can see that we have this breakout. So now what do we want? What we wanted here is it was like just go there, retest, or maybe here, because the market is doing it's already showing us a nice resistance. So maybe the market will be respecting this area and start to go quite slower. We don't really need that meltdown, you see. So if maybe the dollar is gonna go up, for those who don't really understand, it doesn't really necessarily mean that maybe Nasdaq US30 is forced to sell. No. When the economy is functioning very well, even the stock market, they will actually function very well. The problem is when we have higher inflation, and also let's say higher inflation and also higher rates. So that's why now the US economy is forced to cut the rates. and that will be forcing the dollar to actually to cool down, you see. But at the moment, we know that this move is not really done there. I think the market will still continue going lower. Next month, they are going to cut the rates, and there are some like rumors that maybe they will cut with 50 basis points. Some they say they will cut with 75 basis points, but not once. They might split that 3 times. That which means it's gonna be 25 basis points next month, the other month's 25, the other month's 25. Because if they go higher, or if they use aggressive basis point, like let's say 75 at the same time, that will show the panic that, oh, maybe recession is very closer, and that is going to be bad for the stock markets. Then now, for us who know how to trade or analyze, then we will start to check out gold. We will check out other things. Then we will stay out a little bit on the stock market, because you know the problem with this type of moves, it's not about the market is selling. No. When we say things are difficult, it's not about selling. The sales that are happening, they also recover very quick. While you're still holding your sell, boom, the market is going up. Hey man, you see, when you're trying to sell, the market is recovering. When you're trying to buy, the market is reversing and aggressive. You see, so both sides are not really safe. But with the structure that we have here, you can easily see that, no man, we still expect the dollar to be quite weak, especially when we know that they are going to cut the rates. So this is like obvious on our face, but the market won't just do it immediately. So which means we know that the market might just play around, but at the end of the day, we will see the market going down, which means the dollar slowly it will lose that momentum, and that's what we want, right? But we don't just need crazy negative movements, you see. So now we are on gold. Please guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what's really happening? We can easily see that we are on gold. So on gold here, we can see the nice, the structure here, it's actually a very nice bullish move. So we can go closer and zoom this, what's really happening. We saw that the market actually touched our highest level there. We can call that a resistance. So after that, we saw that the market started going down aggressively. We can see that the market touched the resistance, so started to move like that. You see, so lower high, lower high, lower high. Then we can see around this area, you see that. So the market was moving, creating lower low, lower high, lower low. Then now the market just broke out of that. So that's why after we broke out of this type of a structure, let me zoom. We started to expect to see some very bullish move structure. I think we did have a buy pending order around this level. So this one, I think I don't no longer remember. I think I told my people to scalp this. But as I'm expecting to see the market going higher, the reason behind that is, guys, even though the market might just play around here, we know that everyone at the moment knows that rates cuts are on the way. And if they cut the rates, it means that the dollar is going to be weaker. This dollar is going to be weaker, then it will make the gold to be stronger. Plus, we have tensions in the Middle East. And that is also actually like it's very hot in the Middle East at the moment. So things might just, and then we'll see maybe whatever that might happen between Iran or Israel, Hezbollah, whatever. If you check the news, I think you will understand. So yeah, I think at the end of the day, even though the market doesn't really want to show us that, I know that there is a chance for the market to actually explode. I think we will see gold flying. Let's hope that they don't really start any war, whatever. I'm just let it go. It's fine, but it's tough. It's tough. So if you are not there, you won't understand. So I don't really understand what's really happening. So, but let's hope that there's no war. But if that erupts, obviously we will see gold flying. Why? Because gold is actually a safe haven. So which means if things are not going well, if things are not looking good on the stock market, on the economies, then gold is the only thing that you can actually buy and reserve your fortunes or your wealth. Not only you can buy art, you can buy so much stuff, you see. So I'm talking about investment. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? We've been actually on the structures, guys. The market is trying to play games with us. If you still remember, in our group we have a signal from this level. We have a signal from that level up to that point because it's a swing trade. But yesterday I also told my people that we can have a nice buy pending order above this area because that is actually a nice resistance around that level. But the overall structure is actually a nice bullish move. So we expect the market to continue going even higher. So let's go on a 4-hour time frame. As this is a actually quick analysis. So you can see that the market did touch this level here, but you can see that the market is been actually consolidating. But we know that at the end of the day, we'll see a nice bullish move. So the market is breaking out here. We had an entry around this level. So you can see that the market it was consolidating. Now we're breaking out. Obviously, we will expect to see a continuation of a buy. Why? Because the overall structure is still on this uptrend structure. Look at that. Yes, that reversal is fine, and we expecting to see a nice push to the upside. Remember, it's Friday. The market tends to move crazy, so don't fight the market. Don't fight the market. So what's really happening on gold? I think so. Not gold, man. Nasdaq. I think the market is breaking out there. So on Nasdaq, we also had quite similar structure to US30. So you can easily see that no, man, the market has been playing games with us. I want daily, not 1 hour. So you can see that the market has been actually showing us that it's going higher. So if maybe I can throw some stuff here, you will see that we had an aggressive structure. If I can start it from here, you will see that we still on that uptrend, but I'm not going to use that because that is going to be way too longer. So I'd rather start a new trend here because with the smaller one there, this was actually a downtrend, you see. But now the market is breaking out. So we're expecting to see that a nice bullish move. So it seems like the market is breaking out, but the market has been playing around the same level for quite some time. So which means we're supposed to jump on that. I don't know if maybe we sent that signal, but we already had a signal lower there. So I'm expecting a continuation of that buy. So let's go closer. So the only structure that was actually very important here, it was this structure where the market was actually consolidating. Yesterday, the market was around this area. Now the market is trying to break out. So let's be extra safe, guys, because mostly around this area, the market we can buy here and then the market reverse. So which means let's give the market a little bit chance around here, then we can look for a buy. I think we will have that continuation of a buy, but I know the market along the way, it will actually try to reverse here and there. But I think at the moment, this can also be a nice buy. I think if I did not really send this in the group, I will send that, right? So I'm expecting a continuation of that buy. We had a proper sell for quite some time. So you can see this. This is a like seriously aggressive sell. Yes, this type of a sell, guys, one way or another, the market has to recover. And especially when we know that we are going to have a rate cut, you see. So let's push to the next one. I wanted to make this as a quick analysis. So also in S&P 500, we did have our buy pending order around this level. So obviously my people are actually eating. So you can see that the market is actually showing us that it's actually going higher. So we had this resistance where the market is now breaking out. So obviously we will try to jump above this area and go in. But remember, on our side, we also had trades around this level, so which means the market is continuing around this level. Also, we can still have another trade, so it's up to us. So the overall structure here is bullish momentum as we're trying to reverse. Maybe we can say this can be our TP there. For now, if we get around this area, that can be a TP because the market maybe might respect that level. It's possible. So I think for today, guys, that is fine. I think it's enough. I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Bye.